Now we would like to take a few minutes to review some of the features of your report. AmeriSpec has one of the most advanced reporting formats in the industry. Most home inspection companies deliver a plain PDF document. Our report is an interactive web page. We break the findings down in several ways to help you make an informed decision on the purchase of the property. It is also easy to extract sections or individual issues from the report for sharing with your realtor, the seller, and/or contractors. We also provide definitions of terms that you might not be familiar with. Your report consists of two main components: the main report and a summary report. The summary report is provided as a courtesy to your realtor. Realtors like to have the Cliff Notes like overview of the report. While the report contains lots of useful information, your realtor will appreciate it when we highlight some of the more significant issues to make it easier for them to help you with the process. We would like you, though, to concentrate on the main report. Items in the summary report are selected at our discretion. You may find something in the main report which you think is important and we did not include in the summary report. In the red bar at the top of the report, there are several tabs which control how much of the report is displayed for viewing and sharing. These tabs are for displaying the main report and summary, the main report only, and the summary report only. And there is also a function for listing items by classification, something we will review later. You can share your report by creating a PDF or printing it. These two functions will produce documents reflecting the report as it is currently displayed. There are several features which allow you to suppress non-essential information in the report, which will reduce the size of the output. The report can be quite lengthy, and this will save on paper and ink if you wish to print the report. There is also a help button which will provide you with diagrams and tutorials on how to use various features of the report. Near the top of the report is the report overview. The first section in the report overview is a list of comments based upon their ratings. Each comment in the report will receive one or more ratings. Anywhere you see a rating in the report, you can simply tap on it or click on it for a definition. This list shows the number of items in the report which have a particular combination of ratings. Here you will see that there is 3 comments which are a safety concern and may need additional review by a specialist for more information or a cost estimate. Next to the count, you will see a gray icon. You will see these icons throughout the report. They will display the associated information and allow you to share the content by placing it into the copy-paste buffer, printing it, or creating a PDF. The second section of the report is the list of classifications. Each comment in the report will receive a classification like heating, cooling, plumbing, electrical. This report has 11 electrical concerns. So if you'd like to send a list of those concerns to your electrician for a cost estimate, just click on the gray icon and then create a PDF. Again, you can click on any of the classifications if you want to list for a definition of what that entails. You can also view the classifications from the Classification List tab at the top of the screen. This allows you to create a list of selected classifications all in one area. You can pick individual ones or display them all. Once you get the list the way you want it, again, you can use the Create PDF button at the top of the screen, and it will generate a PDF of the report as it's displayed. Your report may also include a virtual tour of the home, which will include a video of the exterior and 360 images of the interior. This feature will be provided based upon the availability of equipment. The exterior video will be provided weather permitting. The 360 photos will allow you to stand in each of the major areas of the home and view the entire space. At the top of each section of the report, interior, exterior, electrical, plumbing, there is a description of the criteria used to evaluate that section and may include some basic building standards related to the section. Below, there are some of the features related to that section. This may include things like building materials, names of manufacturers, dates of manufacturing for some components. Next is the category overview, which is an index of the steps in the section and a review of the ratings that have been assigned to the comments in that step. Throughout the report, you will see a plus/minus button along the left-hand side. This will collapse the associated sections of the report. While these sections are informative, they are not essential to the issues regarding the property's condition. This is handy if you're going to create a PDF and print it. The report can be quite lengthy. This will reduce the size of the report, saving on paper and ink. Along the right side, you will see several of the gray paper icons previously mentioned. This will allow you to extract the entire section or all the comments for a step from the report. There is also one on the right side of each comment to share just that comment. You will notice when you move your cursor over or tap on any of the text for a comment, it will enlarge for easier reading. At the left of each comment, there is also a zoom icon. This will further enlarge the text for easier reading for those with limited vision or viewing on a small device. One of the most useful features of our system is the buyer's request list. This will allow you to select random comments throughout the report for sharing with your realtor, the sellers, or contractors. To start your list, simply tap on the caption icon on the left of the comments you wish to include. The comment with the associated photos will be displayed. Then you can annotate the comment to express what type of action you are requesting from the recipients. You can select from comments only, please repair, please replace, or monetary compensation. There's a section then below to provide some of your own comments regarding your request. You can also select from predefined comments like all work to be done by a licensed contractor. Please provide information on any warranties on work performed. After saving the first comment, you'll receive a message explaining how the system works. If you just check the box in the lower corner, it won't appear again. After saving, the icon associated with the comment will turn green. At any time, you can make changes to your request by selecting the caption icon again. Now we will select a few more comments for our list. When you finish making your selections, you can use the Share Request button on the selection screen or in the red bar at the bottom of the screen. From here, you can fine-tune your list by editing or removing comments from the list. Then when you're happy with the list, you can place it into your copy-paste buffer. You can print it or create a PDF. Throughout the report, you will see terms which are highlighted in blue and underlined. These items have definitions for the term for which you might not be familiar with. Simply click or tap on it for a definition. In the red bar at the bottom of the report, you will also find the table of contents. To make it easy for you to navigate from one location to another one throughout the report. There is also some options for suppressing or displaying other features in the report, such as photos, glossary, definition of ratings, further reducing the size of the report for printing. In our report, any references to location like left, right, front, or back are usually in reference to standing facing the front door of the home. To enlarge any of the photos in the report for better viewing, simply click or tap on them. If there is more than one photo, you can step through them using the arrows on either side or the buttons at the bottom. You may also notice there is a button in the upper left-hand corner of some of the photo sets. This indicates there are additional photos which are currently suppressed. You can tap or click on the button to display all of them, or just click on one of them and you can step through all of the photos in the set. If you're going to create a PDF for your report and want to include the suppressed photos, you must expand them first. The PDF will reflect the report as currently displayed. What you see is what you get.